Bridge mode, also known as access point or AP mode, is a configuration for your Netgear router that disables key functions to turn it into a simple wireless access point. In bridge mode, the router disables NAT, DHCP server, and firewall functions, allowing your main router to handle all network management. This setup is crucial for fixing double NAT, which occurs when both your ISP's modem router and your Netgear router perform network address translation simultaneously. Double NAT causes issues like port forwarding failures, VPN connection problems, and inconsistent device connectivity. By enabling bridge mode, your main router handles all IP address assignments, preventing these conflicts and simplifying your network setup. This is especially useful for multiple routers or mesh systems like Netgear Orbi. Recent firmware updates, like Nighthawk Series version 1.0.8 Plus, have made enabling AP mode easier through web interfaces and the Nighthawk mobile app. Disabling double NAT can significantly improve network performance, as seen in real-world examples where gamers reduced lag after enabling AP mode on their Netgear routers. First, access your Netgear router's interface by opening a web browser and going to routerlogin.net or typing 192.168.1.1 in the address bar. Log in using the default credentials, which are usually admin for the username and password for the password. Next, navigate to the Advanced section, then Advanced Setup, and select Router AP Mode from the menu. In the Router AP Mode section, select AP Mode or Bridge Mode to enable it. Then disable the DHCP server and ensure NAT is turned off. You'll need to configure a static IP address for your Netgear router. Choose an IP within your primary router's subnet, such as 192.168.12 if your main router uses 192.168.1.1. After saving the settings, reboot your Netgear router. Then, connect its WAN port to a LAN port on your primary router using an Ethernet cable. Now, devices connected to the Netgear router will receive IP addresses from your primary router. Remember that enabling bridge mode disables advanced features like parental controls, so use it for secondary routers. Also, regularly update your firmware using the Netgear Genie or Orbi app for optimal performance.